Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today I'll be sharing with you a simple website that will allow you to make money just by sharing or referring people to come to their website. Okay, so this is grammarly.com, as you can see, and big by just promoting Grammarly. Become an affiliate today and earn a commission for sending customers your way. For sending customers our way. Okay, so all you just need to do now, become an affiliate here. For each customer you send to this very amazing website, you get a huge commission for yourself. Okay, you can look at it. The next thing that you just need to do is sign up under 60 seconds, place a banner and write a post to receive an activation bonus. Okay, start earning big. What is a Grammarly affiliate program? Look at all these places, look at it for yourself. All you just need to do and okay, all you just need to do on this very website, just refer, keep referring, keep directing customers, keep sending leads to their website, and you get a maximum commissions. Okay, so you can just look at it, come to this very website, make your own research on this, and you will see how exactly it works. Okay, on this very website there are a lot of things that is going on. Away from just the promoting, it helps you as a student or as a researcher to get the particular information that you want. And if you are a blog writer, you can also come to this place to create your content or paraphrase your content on this very website. Okay, so it does a lot. You can go to the top right hand side of this very app and click on that three dots. You can see why Grammarly for work, for education, compare plans, tools and guides. Okay, so there are a lot of things going on here. So the next thing that we just need to do, just prepare yourself so that we can sign up, get our referral link and start sharing on our social media to earn commissions. Okay, so click on become an affiliate. Let's see how we do the registration process together. Click on become an affiliate. So if you click on becoming an affiliate, it will bring you to somewhere of this nature. So the next thing that you just need to do is to fill in your name, create an account. So that's this is a partnership sign up. Okay, this is a partnership sign up. You can see. So fill in your name, your website, which you're going to patronize their platform. You put in your address one, address two. You put in your city. You put in your country. You put in your state, you put in your zip code, and you put in your phone number right over here. Okay, so all you just need to do is to sign this up. I'll do this right away. So we are completely doing this together. So talking on the website, you can copy your YouTube channel link or your Facebook channel link. Okay, and paste it here. Okay, so after you next it, you take it to the second phase where you can fill in your name and the others. Okay, so just fill in your name, say your email address, your password, confirm the password and click on next. So fill on this, click on next. So you can see here what this place is saying is, I understand non-US payments are available by bank wire only in USD. Please ensure your bank account accepts USD if you are outside the US. Check only available to US resident. Grammarly does not make payment via PayPal to any affiliate. So one of the most fascinating thing about this place is that they pay direct to your bank account. So make sure your bank is accepting USDT payment. Okay, so in this very place you choose your payment method and the others. So you click on I understand. I cannot place any Grammarly affiliate link or link out on Pi Workers, Micro Workers, or any similar sites. I understand. So just fill in this place. In this place again, paste your sites. Okay, so the next thing that you just need to do, click on next. Okay, if you click on next, it will bring you to this very interface where it says terms and conditions. Okay, so all you just need to do, just click on the two I agreed I agreed. Okay, then you click on sign up. I will save my password. I cannot accept be stressed. Okay, so my password is saved. So the next thing that I'm going to do right away is to log in. Okay, since I've saved my password, it will just show it to me quickly and I will log in. So as you can see currently, this brings us to the end of this very video. The moment my application now is being submitted and it's under review. Okay, and it's under review because I can see cannot log in, is pending. So the moment it comes back, the moment you submit your application and it's being reviewed, all you just need to do is to log in, go to your dashboard and copy your referral link and start sharing. Okay, so thank you so much for being with me. Thank you so much for sticking with me to the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, please do what to subscribe to my channel and as well like my videos. Do not forget also to share my videos and also turn on the notification bell so that when I drop any video of this very nature that will be helpful for you or for others, it will get to you as soon as, yeah, it will get to you immediately. So thank you so much and I will see you in my next video. Bye.